Why today I am playing with the balloons? There is very simple but very powerful technique today I am going to tell you by the help of these balloons. So normally is this difficult time in this corona time, everyone is feeling the symptoms of the corona. They are mainly problem on our chest. The capacity of the breathing is not that much great. Our lungs are weak, so the outside bacteria and viruses are attacking in our body. So we have to make this chest, make our lungs more strong, more energetic. So this video is for you if you are feeling any symptoms of COVID, or you just recovered from the COVID, or you are healthy person and you want to increase your capacity of the lungs. So you can share this video with your beloved friends, family members, anyone you notice any symptoms. You can share this video, and by this you can create the awareness. Just by doing this simple exercise, you can increase the capacity of the lungs. So how to do this? Just you need a balloon and just filling the air. Then take it out, then again filling the air, take it out, then again fill the air, take it out, again take it out. So repeat this process 5 times. So morning you do 5 times, afternoon you do 5 times, or evening you do 5 times. And like in 2-3 days you increase the time, like 10 times morning, 10 times evening, 10 times afternoon. And by this practice, when we are filling the air in the balloon, this simple exercise, increasing the capacity, the breath holding time, you can feel the chest. Within 1 week you feel the difference. You are getting more strong, more stamina in your chest, in your lungs, by just using this balloon. Because we have all the technology, all the things, our body is the healing mechanism. It heals by itself. You just need the support. The outside medicine or vaccine, anything can't help us unless we want to help ourselves. So we have to increase our capacity. We have to work on ourselves to increase our vitality, to increase our stamina. No other medicine, no other injection or something else can't help us. So we have to do something. So this, by using this simple exercise, this children do, now we have to do this exercise at least 5 times morning, 5 times afternoon, and 5 times evening. You don't have to do anything, just taking the balloon and filling the air and take it out, then again fill and out. So this, I want to share this exercise. Many scientists, many doctors are recommended this exercise nowadays. So we have to work on ourselves. Don't think about others, just think about yourself. You are responsible for your own self. If you are feeling the joy, if you are feeling the happiness, if you are feeling the misery, sorrow, pain, anything, whatever you are feeling, it's you are responsible, not nobody is responsible. So try this exercise, share this, teach to others, teach to your children, teach to your parents, teach to your neighbors, teach to your enemy, teach everyone this simple exercise. And by this you can heal this entire world, not yourself but surrounded by yourself. You can heal everyone. So this little exercise I want to give you today. So hope you practice this, and write me in the comment box whatever you feel after doing this simple exercise. Thank you. Be happy, be healthy, and spread the awareness and love in this entire world. Bye bye. Take care.